Hi everyone, it's Alice here from Tanio TV, and today we are going to be making some woodland wands. So the materials you need for this are scissors, string or twine, a stick, and then a selection of materials from your garden or outdoor areas. So to make our woodland wands, you need a long bit of string or twine, and then just join it to your stick about halfway down. Use a good knot to secure it. And then, depending on whatever materials that you've collected, you can start to wrap the string round, add in whatever materials you'd like as you go. Try and get a nice range of colours and textures on here. So you might want to just keep the string going up the stick a bit, just to keep the items in place. And pull the string nice and tight. And obviously your materials are going to be different depending on the season. And you can see here that I've used moss and some leaves. We've got a number of feathers here, different types of feathers. So the woodland wand is also known as a journey stick. So if you're going for some lovely nature walks with your family and friends, you can just collect things as you go, and that keeps a nice memento of your trip. There's so many different materials that you could use for this, and when you've finished, I think I might add some more moss. When you've finished, make sure you tie nice knot at the top and trim any remainder string or twine off with your scissors, and there we go, there's my woodland wand.